Well, I think the inaugural went really well. I think James Murdoch made some really spectacular points. And I think the fact that the Minister, Sachin Pilot, gave us his assurance of his support will go a long way with the entertainment industry. I think the Vicky Frames is a great meeting ground of minds, is a great melting pot of minds, and I think it's a great way of integrating the media and entertainment industry all under one roof. And I think the points that were raised on the inaugural session, either by James Murdoch or by Sachin Pilot, by the other keynote speakers, will go a long way, and I think strengthening us as an industry and making us take giant leaps into the future in the world of digital technology, media, entertainment. So I think it was a great beginning, and the second day went equally well, and we're looking forward to a fantastic third day today, and I would say a glamorous and a thought-provoking valedictorian session. Well, I think cinema is very big in this country, and I think we may have gone through a phase where where content was suffering as a result of some poor writing, and I think cinema is very largely dependent on good writing. It is definitely the strongest vertical when it comes to the entertainment industry, and every other platform is actually an offshoot of cinema. Unfortunately, our quality sometimes doesn't support the brand that comes with cinema, but we're trying to get our act together with more younger influx of talent in the industry, a younger mindset when it comes to, I think, the corporate way of functioning, and just everyone is kind of evolving as we speak in the world of cinema. So I know we will grow from strength to strength and head towards, I think, a lost golden era. And therefore, I think once we are even stronger than every other vertical, we'll only gain from our strength. Well, I think it was a great victory for us. It was a great match. I would say I had the honor of watching the last 20 minutes of the match, which were rather exciting, and it was fantastic. And yet I think there was a great turnout at Vicky. So I think the support to the cause of the entertainment industry, if at all it's superseding the impact of cricket, then we definitely have come a long way.